guys, it's Mariana and welcome back to a new video. Today is a haul video. Your girl did some shopping, much to my wallet's disadvantage. And your girl got some new stuff. So yeah, let's just get into it. I got some stuff from Hot Topic, Victoria's Secret, and it was Ross and TJ Maxx, along with Bath and Body Works. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys, I've actually got these stuff like a month and a half ago, but I feel like I can't not show you. It's from Bath and Body Works, and there was like this sale that it was like for, I don't freaking remember, but it was like hand sanitizers that were super cheap, and I'm like, bitch, yes please. So I got 4. And I'm so excited to use them. Okay, so the first one I'm going to talk about is Berry Lemonade. It has a llama on it, or like an alpaca or something. Holy balls, this really does smell good. Oh, it smells great, like a pink lemonade. It smells like a pink lemonade would taste like. Oh, so good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's like a drug. Bath and Body Works, you're doing something right. The next one is Unicorn Waters. I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay, whatever. Unicorn Waters. Ooh. It's on my nose. That's a thing that's gonna happen with probably every single one. So like, this one smells very fresh and almost like fruity. I don't know how to explain it. It smells so fucking good, dude. Amazing. These also are like, I didn't pay that much for them. They're normally like $1.75, so anything is cheaper. So the next one is, I don't know which one I want to talk about. Okay, it's so fucking cute. I got this solely for the fact that I'm obsessed with pandas, and it's the Eucalyptus Spearmint. It has a panda on it, and it's so fucking adorable. Delicious. Spearmint just smells amazing. Makes me want to, I got on my nose again. What the fuck? It just makes me want to pop in a piece of gum. It smells amazing. A+. The last one is I'm still shook about, which is the Champagne Sparkle. I don't fucking know how they made this smell like champagne. It smells bubbly. It smells like also fruity. It's weird. It's so weird how they made it smell like champagne, but they fucking did it, and it's sparkly and beautiful, and I love it. I had to show you all this. This is the one that like really shook me. This one was my favorite. Champagne Sparkle, are you kidding me? Yes. Okay, I need to talk about this because this was fucking wild. I had 2 coupons for Victoria's Secret, and one was a free panty, and then the other one was $10 off. Your girl spent $0 fucking on 3 pairs of underwear. Don't believe me? Look at yourself. Zero across the board. Total discount was $31.50. So I got a free pair of underwear, so that was a given. And then coincidentally, at the mall at the time, they were doing $5 panties from 5 p.m. till close. So I bought 2 more, and since I got $10 off, that shit was $0. What? The woman was even shook. She's like, the woman who rang me up, she's like, this never happens. So I got 3 pairs. And I'm not going to show y'all all the things because that's a bit too scandalous, and we're not there yet, but it was flipping amazing. I was so happy. That never happens. You might as well call your girl an extreme couponer because this shit don't happen. Great. Good. So I went to Ross because me and my best friend are going to Warped Tours, and I might do a little Warped Tour vlog. So if you guys want to see that, give it a like because it's coming, and I'm very excited about it. It's the last Warped Tour ever, and it's the first one that I'm ever going to, and I'm so fucking sad that I can't go next year. But hopefully someone will come up with like a Warped Tour-esque thing because your girl is emotional. I can't do this. We were shopping for Warped Tour, and I ended up buying other things that were not Warped Tour. I needed to buy a different shirt. I had like shirts, but I wanted to buy like a different shirt. Besides the point. Your girl's obsessed with Marvel. If you didn't know that, now you know. And I got a Black Panther crop top. Looks like that. It's a crop top. It's pretty soft. It's like a good quality material. And the back of it says Defender of Wakanda. Girl, I've been wearing this pretty fucking often. It's super cool. Anything to support my faves. I loved it. And it was like $6, so yes, why the fuck not? Who do you think I am? So if you saw my Valentine's Day lookbook, you will see something that is pretty similar to this, but I couldn't not buy it because this one's cuter. And there was this shirt that it was like a sweater that was white with roses on it. It was like a cropped sweater. This one is a cropped hoodie, white with roses on it. And you want to know how similar it looks? This is the one from my Valentine's Day lookbook, and this is the one I got. The literally only thing that's different is the material, kind of like a knitted almost material. This one is just cloth. It's more see-through, but I like this one more because it's a hoodie, and I love hoodies, and it's beautiful, and I can't help it. I like roses. Sue me. That was also like $6-7. This one is so cute. Okay, this is they're pretty much all crop tops that I got from Ross. This is a cherry shirt. Has a cherry print on it. Looks like that. Pretty freaking awesome. This shirt is so ridiculously soft. I can't even explain it to you. It's so fucking soft, and it's like white around the rim part, like the collar of the shirt, and at the sleeves as well. It's so soft. I've worn it as well already because it's so good, but amazing, good quality. And then couldn't find anything at Ross, and then we went to TJ Maxx, and your girl finally found her shirt for Warped Tour. I already had shorts that I was gonna wear. I already had my entire outfit planned of a backup, and I'm glad I found this one because it's gonna be hot as balls, and I'm ready for it. So I found this shirt. It is just kind of like a gray black tie-dye. It is a tank top. The thing that I love about this shirt is because it's gonna be hot as balls, is like the back is open, so that's gonna be great. It's a thin material, so I won't die of heat stroke at Warped Tour because your girl is gonna be jamming hardcore because some of her favorite bands are going, and it's gonna happen. So I'm pretty happy about that. It's here. The shirt is here. I'm gonna wear it. This is what I'll be wearing. Hint, hint. And then your girl went to Hot Topic. I got 3 shirts. So Hot Topic was doing a buy one, get one 50% off, but I had a discount that I got in mail that it was get 30% off. You can use it 3 times. So I was like, I'm buying 3 shirts. So the shirts I got were, one of my favorite bands is All Time Low. So of course I had to get an All Time Low shirt. And this one is a Dear Maria shirt. And if you don't know who All Time Low is, what have you been doing? But one of the hits that really put them on top, that like really gave them traction many years ago, was Dear Maria, Count Me In. And this is what that shirt says. So it's an All Time Low, and it says, I got your picture, I'm coming with you, Dear Maria, Count Me In. So yeah, I love it. I'm just so happy with it. There's nothing bad to say about it. It's good. It makes me happy. So I'm going to see Panic at the Disco in a few days. I'm very excited. I'm gonna be pretty far away, but it's fine. I'm chilling. I get to see Brendan Urie. You think I'm like mad about that? No, honey, I'm not. So to prepare myself for the beautiful occasion that is Brendan Urie, I of course got a Panic at the Disco shirt. I am obsessed with it. Has these little symbols, Panic, and then Turn Up the Crazy from the song Victoria. Sorry, I had to sing it in my head. And it's so cool, and it's pink, and it's just, I love it. Can't not love it. And then the shirt that I got, you know your girl loves 5 sauce, So I'm so upset because I have a shirt that I wore, I think when I did my June first impressions of Ipsy. I bought a lips shirt at Fashion in the Summer, and it was real expensive. And then I go into Hot Topic like a week after I got it, and it's there, and I was really upset because I could have just bought it there. It would have been cheaper. But I already had that shirt, so, and then there was another Fashion in the Summer shirt, which is the one I am wearing. It says 5 sauce, and it has the loves of my life on it, my babes. Just kidding. Luke, Ashton, Michael, Callum. I don't like that Callum's face is so cut up, but I guess. But yeah, it's really good material. I love it. It's black. In case y'all didn't notice, your girl wears a lot of black. Yeah, it's great. I love it. Why wouldn't I love it? I'm gonna wear it all the time, like I have been for the past 24 hours. And then the last shirt I got, which I will include part of this haul, is a shirt that I bought online, and it was off of 5 Sauce's new album, Young Blood. One of the songs, I think it's the 4th track. It's the 4th track on the album. It's called Valentine. It's one of my favorites. I don't know if it's one of my favorites. The whole album is good. Just go listen to it and admire the beauty that is Young Blood. But before the album came out, they did a limited edition Valentine shirt. Bought it like on the last day possible of getting it, and it finally came in after like so long, but it's fine. I get it. This is the Valentine shirt, so that's why I'm including it part of the haul. I got it like 2 days ago. So this is the front of it. It has it's like fans, and one of them is, and they're like holding flowers. The bottom it says Valentine, and then this is the back. It says lyrics to the song. The lyrics are as follows. I love the light in your eyes and the dark in your heart. You love our permanent chase, the bite of our bark. We know we're classic together like Egyptian gold. I can't fucking speak. We love us. It don't matter, be combative or be sweet cherry pie. It don't matter, just as long as I get you tonight. I love this shirt so much, and I love this shirt particularly because it's one of those shirts that, like, if you're not a fan of 5 Seconds of Summer, like, you won't know what this shirt is about. So it was great, and yeah, love that shirt. I'm gonna wear it, obviously, because your girl is a stan. Besides the point, that's it. That's all I got for my haul of. This is all my shopping haul that I did for the past like week. Oh, since I'm seeing Panic at the Disco, I'm going to be filming a concert vlog, and I'll be uploading like an entire video, I think, of like the opening performance of Panic, the opening song. So subscribe if you want to see that, and I'll be posting more and more throughout. Yeah, so that's all I gotta say. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people of the internet next time.